Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to tie your belt. Take your right side here, wrap it underneath, pull it over. Everybody's going to have their own way. This is how I did it. Wrap around right here, the front. Like this. You'll have two sides. You want to take your right side here, left side, pull the left side here that you got with the right hand, flip it underneath here, pull it through. Then you're going to have this. You want to take this, take your right hand, left side, wrap it around, and then pull.